All right, we're doing good. Okay. So, all right. So we're gonna start off with this video, I guess. And this video is called "Overview of MongoDB." Okay. Then we have some questions and learning objectives, which is very normal. Questions of learning objectives, and so on and so forth. Still, well, yeah, I wish I didn't have so many things to do. I wish we could just focus on this. Must be quite stressful or something. Overview of MongoDB. Questions. Well, any objectives. Let's keep going. So we have the following. Explain what MongoDB is. Question 1. Explain what MongoDB is. Question 2 is list different components. Oops, what is this? List different components of MongoDB. Okay, next we have question 3. Describe why and where to use MongoDB. Describe why and where to use MongoDB. Alright, first question I think they'll answer immediately. Okay. Alright, what is a MongoDB database? Is it documented in a SQL database? No, there's no subtitles for some reason. Okay. The data is structured in a non-relational way. Okay. What else? What are documents? Okay. What is a collection? Okay. Is this just the components or something? What is a database? Documents in detail. I guess that's documents in detail. Why use MongoDB? Okay, so this is obviously what it is. Okay, so let's go here. Okay, instead of storing data in tables of rows and it doesn't seem to disappear. In rows or columns, like each record is stored in a document. So probably try to make it quite big. Each record is stored in a document. It's where data is structured in a non-relational way. Okay, so to explain what MongoDB is. Well, there's not really that much to say here. Unless they gave a little bit at the end. Crazy or something. Nope, they didn't give anything. So it's just this. Okay, so let's just say what is MongoDB? Okay. So MongoDB is a document architecture database. MongoDB data is stored in JSON XML documents for different events such as blogs, maybe. blogs, and also what else is there? There's MongoDB. Explain what MongoDB is. Data is MongoDB data in MongoDB. DB is stored non-relationally. Documents can have entirely different purposes. This does make SQL querying to retrieve data combining multiple MongoDB documents, database documents, almost impossible. All right, so that is that. Question 1 is done. Explain what MongoDB is. I think we've done that. Let's move on to question 2. List different components of MongoDB. Okay, so question 2. Question 2. List different components of MongoDB. Okay, let's list some components. First component we're going to list is documents. Documents, okay. Documents. Documents, okay, so documents like JSON objects or Python dictionaries can be used to represent a student at a university. Documents can be used to represent a student and their details, such as name, email, and student identity number. This information can be enclosed a Python dictionary with key values, or the student's information at the university. Can be enclosed in a JavaScript notation object. All right, this is pretty good, I'd say. Oh wait, oh wait. I'm debating with myself about this terrible food. I want the food though. I just want to get it done. Yeah, I just want to get it done, so then I don't have to think about it. So. It's bothering me a bit. it is bothering me a bit. Okay. So we have documents. Yeah, we've covered this. Student document. Okay, so what is a collection? Campus management system stores all student records and documents in the student's collection. Okay. And similarly, all staff documents are stored in the employee's collection. Okay. Okay, so I think I get this. I'm not going to get too into it. What else do you want to say? Okay. Was all document records stored in the student's collection. This is collections. Okay, so what is a collection? A collection is a whole bunch of documents related to a specific related to a specific topic. A collection is a whole bunch of documents relating to a specific topic. For example, students collection of a collection, all the student details that have been collected in numerous documents are stored in a collection folder. All documents relate to similar student information. Some of the documents may even contain what lecture room the student goes to. That is a collection. I think they want to go into a little bit more detail about documents, but bonus material on documents. Material on documents, i.e. JSON, XML files. Okay, so question 2, they did give some more information. Of fields or properties, okay. And each field's name is unique within that document, so you can have the full. Okay, so you can have the full capability to use the correct data type to store your information in. Okay, let's stop there because I don't actually know there, so let's go here. Okay, so what do they say? They say the fields, okay, values representing, okay. Field, the value of the key in the JSON, XML, Python dictionary. is his is unique, is only used in that document with that key in that NoSQL MongoDB document that is going to be stored in the database, in the non-relational database. Which known as P. Okay. Oh. Okay. What else do I have to say here? Oh yeah, this other stuff. MongoDB documents do not discriminate on what data types you are loading in your Python dictionary, JavaScript or JavaScript notation object, or XML code, particularly important data types are date and numbers, etc. These can easily be stored. The reason dates are important to be stored is for timestamps. So if any data loaded, streamed, can be checked if there was a synchronization error or along those lines. Let's keep it going. Yeah, there's lots to write. Okay, let's go here. Hmm. Epoch dates. Epoch dates. If you want to know where someone is born, if you want to retrieve data from a document, i.e., specific to when a specific date stamp is, this is known as an epoch query and MongoDB supports epoch queries of specific dates associated with values being retrieved with SQL. Okay. All right, so let's see. So many things that are stressful. So stressed. Okay. Different kinds. What do you mean? It supports. It supports having a. You can have a sub document. In MongoDB, we can write another document in curly braces as a value for the key. This is known as a subdocument inside the actual document, which MongoDB, no doubt, will be loading. All right, let's keep going. Yeah, this is done. Yeah, this is done. Jeez. Jeez. Oh, life is crazy, man. Life is crazy. I just wish life was simpler. That's all. Okay, question 3. Why use MongoDB? Where to use MongoDB? Wait, what? They say why and where. Describe why and where to use MongoDB. Question 3. Why use MongoDB? Okay. Okay, so why use MongoDB? That is the question. Why use MongoDB? Model data as you read or write, not the other way. Okay, I'm assuming there's more to this than just that wording. You're writing and how you're going to read it. Okay, so how you're going to read the data. Read the data is how you're going to use the data. You can forget about how loading it. Okay, so loading and writing the data once you have it in your document. The data is fixed. Data is fixed in your document. Therefore, reading it and then manipulating it. After reading it is easier. And anyway, after you are finished reading it and reading and manipulating the data, you will write it to a database anyway. Okay, that is question 3, the first part. Why use MongoDB? Oh wait, that's not the first part. What am I talking about? There's one more thing. You have to create the schema first, then create the tables. No need to create any sort of expected values for no need to create any expected values. You can just give the values for each column straight away. There is no expected values or number of specified columns or expected columns that cannot have a null value. There's no expected values or number of specified columns or expected columns that cannot have a null value. You can just create your columns at will immediately. So your table is so basically your table is essentially created without needing a schema. At least at first, you can make adjustments to the columns, their data types, and expected values after that. Very, very nice. Right, so this is the first answer. It's too long and weird. Yeah, well, that's just how it works. That's just how it works, man. That's just how it works. All right, question 4, week 2, module 1. Question. So not question 4. Where? Oh wait, there's something else. Wait, what? Wait, there's something else. Wait, there's something else. Wait. So if you decide, you will have to alter your tables. Wait, what? What is this? Wait, what is this? Just do another field, you have to alter tables. So if you decide to store an additional field, you'll have to alter your table. Okay, so actually, I think I've answered this. Unfortunately, we may have to miss that one, actually. What is it? If the alter tables. Yeah, unfortunately, that's just how it goes. This is how the cookie crumbles. This is how the cookie crumbles. Okay, why use MongoDB? Oh, wait, there's more? Oh, there's just more? Oh, sorry, why use MongoDB? Continued. Alright. Alright, so why is MongoDB continued? Model data as you read or write, not the other way. Bring structured or unstructured data. Wait, did they give like a bonus topic here or something? Okay, so you can basically bring any type of data you want. Data from tables in any structured or unstructured data. And it also gives you the power to bring in any structured or unstructured data. Okay. So you can bring in structured and unstructured data. You can load blogs as well as login input forms into a document. JSON very easily accommodates for blog text, as you can just create an array of text, create a string with a key. It'll be a very long string though. Okay, high availability. Okay, let's see, high availability. High availability. Okay, because data is replicated, because partitions of data on servers are replicated. Hell, even servers are replicated. There is high fault tolerance, meaning if one server goes down, you can just one server or partition goes down, you can just use the replicated partition or server. Alright, very, very nice. This surely is the end, right? Am I just insane, or is this thing just gonna continue forever? Okay. Okay. Is that it? That's it. Okay, where to use MongoDB? Alright, yeah, that's crazy. That's actually crazy. Yeah, of course Rebecca's gonna need to get picked up. What are you talking about? Like, I don't know that. Just... Oh, this is the whole. No, that's the. Oh, I keep messing this up. Oh no, that's fine. It's just this. This can't be here. Oh boy. Where to use MongoDB? Where to use MongoDB? If you want large and unstructured data, wait, I'm so lost here. Go back. There we go. Okay, we'll cover. Okay, so there's this. Okay, complex data structures. Okay. 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 Let's just go to the end. Okay. Alright. So, MongoDB is the most popular NoSQL database because it allows you to create another document for a key as the key's value in JSON, and this sub-document and allows for complexity, having collections. Okay, it's just having collections on the other end of documents. Adds simplicity and ease of reference. Reference, which I guess adds efficiency. All right. Next one is, of course, flexible. You do not use MongoDB if you want to go straight to creating your tables content and totally and not have to worry about, at first at least having a schema to load your data into. You also won't need to worry about any queries to alter any SQL queries, alter your table, as you can do that in a Python editor, Python or R editor, Studio editor. Right, next, highly scalable applications. Use MongoDB if you desire to not have any breaks or massive maintenance shutdowns while working with this DBAS design software. Okay, and this is where to use it. Do I feel I understand? Yes. I have my understanding, and that's just good enough. My understanding is good enough. Okay, summary. It's weird, but it does. It's that's the thing that's bothering. Oh, there's obviously that though, isn't there? It's like, oh, why did you get 10,000? Point it out tomorrow. Let me just first finish this, and then I will point it out to her. Okay, summary. Let's go. MongoDB is a document in a NoSQL. Is a document in a NoSQL database. MongoDB document. Completely. This is just how my notes looks. Just a lot of notes. Okay. MongoDB documents provide a flexible way to store data. Documents provide a flexible way to store data. Collections. All right, let's keep going. MongoDB models data as we read or write, brings structured or unstructured data, and provides high availability. MongoDB models data as you or write and brings structured or brings structured or unstructured data and provides high availability. Very, very nice. MongoDB can be used for a variety of purposes. MongoDB can be used for of purposes. Okay, so on and so forth. Yeah, certain things are bothering me, but this time has got a lot to do with nothing to do with you guys, but stuff is happening. Let's finish this video. Alright, so we finished this video. Now we move on to... Wow, this is quite... That's actually quite quick, to be fair. I didn't expect it to be that quick. This one isn't as quick, but damn, this first module is insanely fast. Okay, let's move on to this. Advantages of MongoDB. Advantages of MongoDB. Very, very nice. Questions with learning objectives. I think we reasonably covered those questions. I think we could answer those questions pretty precisely, I think. All right, questions or learning objectives. All right. All right, so I think we do the famous... Oh, no, we don't. Hang on. Was there bonus? Okay, there's no bonus. Okay, so there's only two things here. Or am I crazy? 20? Looks like there's only two things here. Am I wrong or am I wrong? Okay, so I'm wrong. I'm right. I'm right. I'm just 100% right. 20. There we go. So to 19. There we go. Okay. Identify. Question 1. Identify the key benefits. Objectives. After watching this video, you'll be able to identify the key benefits of using MongoDB. Identify the key benefits of using MongoDB. Question 2. Explain why it suits your evolving data needs. Question 2. Explain why it suits... explain why it suits your evolving data needs. Okay. Let us highlight everything. Advantages. Advantages. There we go. Advantages of MongoDB. Questions of learning objects. First question is identify the key benefits when using DB. Really? Seriously? Okay. Alright, I guess I can do it for like the billionth time. But anyway, okay, so flexibility with schema. Okay, what else? There's no zip code for UK address and no postcode for the American address. In a relational way the field's names must be present in each row. This would cause with fields names, yeah. So it cause us to have overarching fields, or a lot of fields with no values. But storing in this format is not a problem because it allows us this flexibility. Flexibility with schema. Okay. So unstructured data, for example, combining data of different shapes from different sources. Okay. Okay, I think I've got it. So key benefits. A key benefit would be that of MongoDB would be that the schema is flexible. Is that when you load the data it doesn't always have to be same or the same at a particular point in the curly brackets, i.e. zone XML Python dictionary object. This allows for unstructured data and data of many forms to be stored. Redundancy or data that is the same, or data, well, it's not the right word, is it? It's not. We had a name for it, right? There's a name for it, right? Wait, no. There's a name for it. There's a name for that data. No, that's not the name. That's not. This is the name. Yeah, inconsistent redundancy of data or inconsistency of keys could definitely be a problem. Okay, so there's that. Um, um, yeah, I mean, that's it, really. All right. So flexibility with schema. So to confirm it again, flexibility of schema is a big benefit. I need to probably check my phone quickly, guys. But yeah, I'll keep going. Ugh. Okay. Let's continue. Alright, so I think we've covered a few benefits. We have one more benefit. Alright, let's continue. Energy is just very, very low today. Very, very low. Very, very, very. This is okay. Okay, alright. You can access your data without having any complexity in between. The code is first. You can start writing your first data as soon as you connect to your MongoDB database. Yeah, the data is first, right? Yeah, the code is first. Yeah. Yeah. What else? Okay, so the code first. Key benefit. Code first. With MongoDB, with MongoDB, you can write your data into the Mongo database, MongoDB database, NoSQL database is keys and values inside a JavaScript object notation or a Python dictionary. We're doing very, very well. Well, again, I don't actually know what else there is to this. db.persons in, and then as follows. So this is in a Python script. Then you say .insert one. Then you have your brackets, curly brackets, and then you have your keys and your values, so on and so forth. Okay, you can easily add the code in a Python script of B, so on and so forth. So yeah, let's see. Okay, let me just finish this. Okay, so let's just finish this. So, oh yeah, I just write the code. Yeah, so this is DB, MongoDB. Persons is our we could call it our collection, and then we have add one, and in there we have our document, first name, and so on and so forth. Yeah, the rest is history. I mean, you can do whatever you want in there. That's not the point. The point is just showing that it exists. That's code first approach. Very, very nice. Okay, code first approach. I guess I like it. I guess I kind of like it. Kind of simplifies things. Yeah, let me just do one more and then I will speak to my mother. The whole world has changed. Okay, wait. Evolving schema. What do you mean? Oh, did I get the syntax? I did. I obviously got the syntax. Oh, it said insert one. So bad. Okay. So it doesn't matter. Let's keep going. So evolving schema. Let's see. Contact list delivery equals true. Wait, what? Pre-COVID. Oh, this is sick. Pre-COVID schema. Okay, what is this? What is this weirdness? Okay, wait. What do you mean? Okay, all you need to do is start storing the additional information in your delivery documents. Okay, so... Okay, wait. With the massive change of the previous instance, you need to quickly evolve your schema to context theory. Can change schema easily. On the fly. With MongoDB documents being loaded, you can add MongoDB documents. You can add an additional column whenever you like with additional values. For example, if you wanted to add a contact list column that was a Boolean column, during COVID. It's very important. So essentially, you can change column data types on a fly. However, the table must look very weird unless it's one row with values, and the new values autogen into that document's schema that you have created, that you have evolved on the fly. On the fly. Okay. Well, that is that. That is, I think, all the benefits. Don't really know what other benefits they could have, but to be fair, I have to have an open mind. But this does seem like the next question is going to start. Yeah, the next game, and yeah, the next question has to start now. Yeah, the next question has to start. Okay, the next question. Oh wait, it hasn't? Oh, that's hilarious. It hasn't even. Okay, we got one more apparently. Hang on. Okay, so let's look at an example. Hang on. Okay, let's see this. What does it say? Let's look at an example of a stock market aggregator. Let's collect stock data from different sources. Let's collect stock data from different sources. This collects stock data from different sources. Okay. Each piece of source data can be in a different shape, which means it's essentially unstructured. Okay. Okay. Well, again, I can just look at this and say, no, if I don't have to write it out. Yeah, there's no need to write it out. Yeah, I'm not going to write it out, but I will say, if I feel like it, I'll write it out, but I don't really think it's necessary. Okay. Unstructured data. Key benefit, ability to freely load. Okay, let's start with work with unstructured data. There we go. All right, let's keep going. Apparently we are live, so I've got to actually wait. Have I made everything right? Looks like everything's right. Okay. Let's continue. Okay, okay, oh yeah. Data in the JSON object with its key and values may essentially represent the same topic. For example, stock market data. However, it may be in different forms. The JSON might be in different forms. This may mean there is a date column for one and no date column in the other JSON document. Oh yeah, there's two. Yeah, there's two. We're comparing them. So say you had two JSON objects. All right, let's keep going. So say you had two JSON objects, both showing aggregate stock market data. However, one had a date. However, one had an additional column of date. Maybe the date column is there as a timestamp. Go on chess.com. We could, but this is meant to be data engineering, guys. Okay, so let's see. And the other JSON object document contained another JSON object in it, i.e. in a relational database, you wouldn't be able to load this data because the data is different shapes. All right. Okay, so in different shapes, databases, it, but plain, like this is just like writing an exam. Right, so we've got sort of, I mean, it's all very, oh, there's another one. Wait, there's another one. Oh, there's availability. You're joking. Availability can't be here. I mean, just end it, right? What? I guess. Oh wait, key benefits. MongoDB, continue. And analytics. This one I don't get at all. Isn't this meant to be a disadvantage or something? Language? Okay. 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 You can use aggregation pipelines within MongoDB. Okay. Oh, okay. So you can't load data into it. Okay, let me break it down because I'm starting to lose track here. Okay, so let's break it down. Okay, so Mongo query language. Mongo, the most popular SQL database. So MongoDB has their own SQL querying language, which can be used for basic queries, and you can also, and we can also use MongoDB pipelines for more complex querying. For example, how many the number of students who passed in a specific course. Updating this is gonna be like, may I just say, updating these documents surely is going to be a nightmare. Because it's not because due to the data being in many shapes, it is difficult to it's difficult to load the tables with the same number of columns. Tables then with the tables, the tables with the tables, then having same of columns. There will be mismatching columns and missing row values. Okay, there's a wide range of operators. Okay. Okay. Okay, operators. You can use greater than, less than, ampersand, as well as summarizing command lines, commands combined with pipelines. Okay, surely that's it. Yeah, 3 minutes. Wait. No, right back. Wait, Mom, wait. Dad, unfortunately, I think I found a small hitch in our plan to go to Sessa, and that is that you gave me 10,000 Rand last month. So that will show up on the 3-month bank statement. And they will probably not give me the grant based off that. So all the effort I will go through will be for nothing. So what I'm thinking is I wait a month. What do you think? No one's gonna watch this. It's all good. Oh, dude. I hope no one watches it, to be fair. So if the recording, I could turn off. No, we can do some more work. Okay. What can we get you? Okay, I don't want that. What? Um. Okay, let's see. Okay. That's hilarious. That's hilarious. No. Okay. There's no. Maybe this one. Okay, let's go here. Trying to figure this out. Okay. Hmm. Wait, jumbo, 1 kilogram. That's pretty good. 1 kilogram. Oh. It's big. It's big. So is it that big? Okay. Um. Probably pre powder. Okay. This is, yeah, I'll add this. That's pretty nice. Let's see, is anything? Can I can't afford it. I don't think I can afford it. Yeah. Cool drink. I can't afford this though. Cart. Okay, let's view the cart. It's 160. We don't make it. 16 Rand tip. That's just too. I can do a 5% tip. Gotta check out. Standard. It should be okay. So 171. Huh. Okay, delivery 3 Rand. That's too much. What do we have here? Count. 169, which just doesn't make it. That sucks. So close. We're so close as well. It's Uber Eats codes. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Okay. It's all for the first order. Okay, so that. Let's keep going. April. Okay, I have no idea what's going on. Oceans. Bulk food. Uber Eats. So if I log on to the Uber Eats, no, not the codes. That's too direct. There it is. So yeah. Okay, this is fine. I'm not gonna go here. But now I'm going to add an item. And I'm going to add Udon. So 500 milliliter jive. It's 12 Rand. I mean, it's something. This is 162 Rand. So oh, this is a delivery partner. Alright, so I think we've looked at query analytics. There could be another benefit because I mean, it seems like probably could name them. MongoDB definitely. I definitely think I could name them, right? It's yeah, code first, structured data, yeah, definitely. What is it to watch? Maybe there's something to watch. I don't know, but key benefit, high availability. Okay, so MongoDB is natively available. It's highly available system. Okay, sorry, let's read this. Natively available supports, which by means of redundancy. Okay, so let's just write this out. MongoDB natively supports being a highly system by means of redundancy. Okay, natively. Okay, so that means as a system it supports being available. Okay, so it's available on its own system all the time. It's available. Okay, as a system it supports. Okay, so that just means as a system. It's available always duplicates of the data lying around. MongoDB has high variations of the data on the system, also known as replications that are reproduced. Maybe that's why replication has the prefix replicate. Well, they are reproduced and can failure. All right. Let's see. So this is, oh, that's just the first one. Okay, so actually I am forgetting about something. Yeah, I can draw lines. I am forgetting that I can draw lines. Okay, so let's go. So yeah, we've sort of covered that one. Let's go to the next point. Typical sets up a 3-node replica set where one of them is a primary member and the others are secondary members. Okay. Okay, so typically, okay. So there's usually, the clusters exist with 3 servers, typically one being the server that has, okay, in MongoDB, the key benefit of high availability is achieved through clustering of servers. each cluster of servers, the servers also being known as nodes. Okay, let's get the battery charging. As you know, that is important too. And there we go. Okay, so there's one primary server which is used, and then there are two backup servers which load redundant data in case of failure. Very, very nice. The primary node fails, the other servers, the other nodes will take over. This failure may be due to a fire or disaster. At the primary node's location. Very, very nice. Again, all these benefits, a lot of benefits. I'll be honest, pretty good. I like that. I like that there's so many benefits. It's quite nice. Yeah, obviously, high availability is like important, but let's keep going. Okay, let's keep going. Mm-hmm. 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 Due this resilience case a server fails, there is more time available to fix the other server. This the MongoDB's availability, let's see, which is useful when you okay, MongoDB's availability is useful. Sorry. MongoDB's availability is useful when MongoDB's availability is useful when you need to exchange their parts on main server or update software. The host deployment approach, or hands-on deployment approach. For this, however, does aid you to keep users being sent and being able to keep users on being able to send and work with information, keeping the actual MongoDB server that you want to use working, but shutting down another server you want to do maintenance on. Okay, let's keep going. Oh, is there more? No upgrade time? Okay, so this is what we sort of went with. Security patches, yeah. Is there anything else? You can code first. Schema is, you can change the schema on the fly. You can work with unstructured data very easily, and so on and so forth. Different shapes and sizes, I think, would be a much nicer way of putting it. I keep voting like, is this question over? Is this question over? Turns out it was both questions over. Very, very nice. No one's gonna pick it up? Well, we'll see, but hopefully someone picks it up. No one's gonna pick it up? Well, no one's picking it up, clearly. Oh, someone's picking it up? By the way, yeah. Oh yeah, this is like crazy. It's just like, where do you even go? It's just so close. Yeah, you just take, it's just like that. When he picks it up, I'm going downstairs, like. Popular? Yeah, it's popular. Okay, summary. Yeah, it's a tough level to work at, but end of the day, it's amazing, dude. It's amazing. Okay, let's wrap this up. Okay, that's all. Okay. Alright. In this video, you learned that the database schema can be flexible when working with MongoDB. Can be flexible when working with MongoDB. All right, next is MongoDB. Use MongoDB. See code. First approach. MongoDB also schema. MongoDB also utilizes evolving schema. Right. Next up we have complex data analysis can be done on the server using aggregation pipelines. Complex data analysis can be done on the server using aggregation pipelines. Capitals, okay, capitals, aggregation pipelines. MongoDB provides native availability. Is that on its way? MongoDB provides native high availability. Availability leads into scalability. What does that mean? Because of availability, you can achieve scalability. That does make more sense. Xiao Moli is taking care of the audio. Can I refresh it? It's always refreshing. Okay, that's this one. Let's just finish this off. Okay, so we've done basics of MongoDB. Let's move on to use cases from MongoDB. Oh, use cases? Really? Wait, that's insane. That's a bit weird. Okay, and this one's it's the longest? Is this the longest? This is actually the longest? Wait. Okay, 445. No, it's not the longest. Yeah, 447. It's not okay. Not a big deal. Not a big deal. Let's go here. Whoa! Look at all these questions. That's insane. Okay. Yeah, this is bizarre, right? Use cases. Already send me a message? Well, you can, but use cases for MongoDB. Questions or learning objectives. Let's keep going. Yeah, speaking all the time, it does drain you, and it also stops you from thinking a little bit. So there is that. Okay, question one. Question one is list the most common use cases for MongoDB. List the. Oops. Oh no, what happened? Home count orders track. Alright, there we go. Okay, list the most objectives. After watching this video, you will be able to list the most common use cases for MongoDB. List the most common use cases for MongoDB. Okay, excuse me. I wonder if anyone will watch it. Yo, what's taking so long? Is it there's load shedding? Maybe. Okay, question 2. Describe the many sources and one view case. Describe the many sources and one view case. Very good. Let's go here. 10, week 2, module 1. I think we'll finish module 1 today. I think we will. What is question 3? Question 3 is describe the Internet of Things use case. Describe the Internet of Things Okay, describe the Internet of Things use case. And then we have described the e-commerce use case. Describe the e-commerce use case. Question 5. Describe the real-time analytics use case. Well, I just give you the answers. Describe the... Yeah, it's just like asking me to describe real-time analytics. Analytics use case. And then describe the gaming use case. Interesting. If I don't give my order, I think that's probably better than... Yeah, gaming use case. Alright, oh wait, we gotta highlight everything. And then we can get started. Use cases for Mongo. Oh my gosh. Okay. Question 1. List the most common use cases for MongoDB. I think so this is just going to be a chill... Oh. Okay. Question 1. The most common use cases are as follows. You have the many sources, one view. Many sources, one view. Use case. And then you have the Internet of Things use case. Then you have the e-commerce. Then you have the real-time analytics use case. It's taking a while. Oh yeah, I have to prepare the chip. Oh, okay. Gaming use case. Okay, question 1 is done. Yeah, $140. That's insane. $140 for some chips. Blah, blah, blah. Okay. No more data silos. Okay, so this is clearly there's prior knowledge here. Different sources into it. In living size, you can ingest multiple shapes and formats of data. Okay. Okay, wait. Hang on. Excuse me. Don't even know if this thing's still working. Each part of your data living in silos, you can ingest multiple shapes and formats of data. Okay, so data doesn't have to be staged. Wait, there's more? Hang on. Okay, so data doesn't have to be staged in Mongo. It can be in any form and can be stored on any server in a partition, because those three servers constantly create backups, which, according to base, will be eventually consistent, meaning the data is the same across all partitions in the server, on the server. The order still going? Yeah, it's still going. Okay, let's keep going. I mean, hey, it's a win-win if I finish this. Yeah, so easy data ingestion. Flexible schema. Oh. Okay, I'm not sure about the one view, but sort of have an idea. Very kind of him. Okay, let's focus. Oh, is any away? By the way, let's. Okay. Sorry about this, guys. Gotta go. They upgraded it to a big one. Not so kind of them. Alright. I'm gonna stop OBS.